Hello and welcome to episode 2 of How to Navigate in Google Classroom. Here you will see that your teacher has added you, or your teachers have added you, to different classes. Easy peasy, all you do to accept their invitation is click on Join. Once you click Join, it will take you to that classroom page. There's even a simple walkthrough that tells you what to do next. The second way that you can join your Google Classroom for your class is if your teacher sent an email invitation, go to your Gmail and click it, class invitation, and then all you have to do is click the link in your email, join. It will bring up a join class button and you just click on join and it should take you straight into that Google Classroom class. And there you have it. Way number 2 to join Google Classroom. The third way to join Google Classroom is by a code that your teacher gives you. And your teacher can display this on the smartboard, or maybe they wrote it on the board for you or gave you a piece of paper or an email with the code in it. If so, go to Google Classroom the way you know how. You can either navigate to classroom.google.com or use the waffle and go to Google Classroom, and then click the plus button there that says Join Class. When you do that, it will ask you for a class code, and there is where you put in your class code and click Join. Once you do that, you'll immediately be joined into that classroom. That's it. That's 3 ways to join Google Classroom.